What do plumbers do? Rachel bent over to look under the kitchen sink.
Oh, what do plumbers do?
Rachel asked the plumber. Well, I just fixed your leaking faucet, the plumber replied.
Mom will be so happy.
Rachel turned on the water. Rachel followed the plumber to the bathroom.
What else do plumbers do?
Rachel asked. I'm putting in a new toilet, the plumber explained.
Ew,
Rachel said, and ran from the room. Rachel peeked back into the bathroom after some time.
Dad will be so happy.
Rachel flushed the new toilet.
What else do plumbers do?
Rachel asked. The plumber gave a big wrench to Rachel. Can you help me fix the bathtub faucet? He asked. Sure, Rachel said. She helped the plumber turn the wrench. All fixed. You can take baths again, the plumber said.
I'm so happy. I'll get my rubber duck,
Rachel said.
Ginger Giraffe's birthday party. Ginger the giraffe wakes up and kisses her dolly. It's a very special day today, and Ginger is very excited. Look at the calendar, Dolly. It's my 5th birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Ginger skips to the bathroom and brushes her teeth. First toothbrushing since turning 5, she sings. She skips around her bedroom, trying on dresses. First outfit since turning 5, she grins. She skips to the kitchen to have a birthday breakfast. First meal since turning 5, she says, looking all around. But where is everybody? Ginger searches the living room, the laundry room, the pantry, and the porch. I think everyone forgot, Ginger sniffs to Dolly. First tear since turning, surprise! Ginger's family and friends had been hiding in the garden all along. Ginger grins from ear to ear. First brilliant birthday surprise since ever.